Today I'm going to show you how to use form analytics with Jotform. This feature is incredibly useful for understanding how people interact with your forms, helping you improve response rates and optimize your form's performance based on real data. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Jotform account to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. In the upper left corner of the page, you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a complete list of all the forms you've created in your account. Now browse through your forms and locate the specific form you want to analyze. Once you've found it, look over to the right side of that forms row. You'll notice a button labeled More. Click on it to reveal additional options. Under the Data section, you'll see various choices for managing your form's information. From the options that appear, click on Form Analytics. This is where all the magic happens in terms of understanding your form's performance. Now, if you don't have any data available for the current time range, don't worry. This is the same step where you'll eventually see your data once responses start coming in. The dashboard might look empty at first, but it will populate as people interact with your form. On the Form Analytics dashboard, you'll be able to view key metrics that give you valuable insights into your form's performance. These include views, which show how many people have seen your form, responses, which tell you how many people actually filled it out, conversion rate, which is the percentage of viewers who completed the form, and average time spent, which indicates how long it takes users to fill it out. To filter your data over a specific period, select a date range from the top of the dashboard. This allows you to compare performance across different time periods and spot trends in how your form is performing. For even deeper insights, click on tabs like Traffic Sources, Devices, Locations, or Browsers. These tabs let you drill down into user behavior and understand where your form visitors are coming from, what devices they're using, their geographic locations, and which browsers they prefer. This information is invaluable for optimizing your form for your specific audience. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and navigated Jotform's analytics dashboard, giving you all the tools you need to track and improve your form's performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.